Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 1995 Chevrolet Camaro. It is a 5.7 LT1 with 275 horsepower. Obviously by the outside it's Polo green with a beautiful tan leather interior. Let's see, 6-way power seats, power windows, power locks, power hatch release, cruise control, AC, twin electric motors, very nice. Oh, I just got the factory radio still, very cool. I mean, 16,000 miles?
Let's see, right now it has 15,985.
Holy cow, how great! How great is that?
Yeah. We also have aftermarket dual exhaust. I think we have MagnaFlow mufflers on it right now.
Yes, we do. We have got this beautiful trunk, which isn't half bad for our trunk.
No, you got the leather bag back here for the pieces that cover the soft top. You can see them right there. They're plastic. We do have pictures of the soft top up. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. It works fantastic. The top is in great condition. I believe it's a tan soft top.
It is. Love the interior, by the way.
Yeah, I do.
Didn't you have a 95?
I had a 2000 Camaro. Same generation. Mine had the LS1. This is the LT1. Still plenty of horse. 275. And then 325 pound-feet or something like that.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I like the tan interior with the green exterior. Fantastic color combo.
Polo green.
Green's my favorite color, so this is great for me.
Very nice. I love it.
Yeah, I like this car a lot. We're going to take a look at the engine bay real quick.
Yes, we are.
Chris is popping it open.
Yes, we are.
And especially when the sun hits it, this green really pops.
Look at the specs.
Oh, got a bit of metal flake in it. It's covered in a little bit of pollen right now, but you know.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look, would you look at it?
There's your beautiful LT1 with less than 16,000 miles on it.
They never drove this car.
Yeah, but we did an oil change, all that good stuff, so yeah, we're ready to hit the road.
Let's do it then, Jake. Let's go.
Let's do it. All the lights, very nice. Even reverse. Sounds good. And look at that green. I love this color. Got the headlights on. Blinkers and brights, very nice. Just a good looking Camaro. I love this generation. I have a soft spot because I had one, but I think they're good looking cars. And the performance, still pretty good by today's standards. Here you go, good sir.
Thank you.
Let me hop in.
I like this color combination.
Oh, I love this color combination. And we have real seatbelts.
For real people.
For real people, let me put mine on real quick. The dash and the console is black, which is nice. Let me put this on here instead. And then there's a little bit of the door panel that's black around the window buttons, lock buttons, and the handle itself. Oh, it's a loud horn.
It's aggressive.
It's aggressive horn. You know, the LS1 was an upgrade, but just because it got an upgrade does not mean that the LT1 was a bad motor.
No.
These have plenty of horsepower for this chassis. There's Sarah, one of our bosses, and plenty of torque for sure. This thing more than gets out of its own way.
Torquey McTorque. Ooh, that is an aggressive exhaust. I like it.
Yeah, and we got the 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission.
All the buttons are still there. The 1, the 2, through the 5.
Yeah, we got AM/FM radio, CD player, tilt wheel that you're showing off right now. And then down here underneath the radio, you have the CD storage with all the slots for you to stand up your CDs.
Which we did.
It's important to have in the 90s.
Oh, absolutely. Well, that's nice.
Sounds good.
Very nice. Blowing off some of that pollen.
Yeah, not too loud, but you still get to hear the awesome V8.
You know it's a V8.
All 5.7 liters of it.
Oh, yes.
And here we go around the roundabout. All the gauges are working, we're charging, we have great oil pressure right now.
They're planting flowers.
They're planting flowers in the roundabout. That is nice.
I love using the horn.
The soft top does have a rear window defogger.
Oh, so it's glass. Very nice.
It's very nice. don't have to worry about it creasing or, you know, getting messed up. And it's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. We also have electric windows. Boogie, woogie, woogie.
Look at that. And the driver's one is auto. So when you're bringing it up, when it's all the way up, which is, by the way, keeps it kind of quiet.
Yep.
Hit down. Oh, wait, it's not. There it goes. I have to hold it down in a little bit, you know, so it engages. But it's very nice. Look at the gas. Plenty of gas.
Yeah, we have a quarter tank. And these weren't the least fuel efficient engines ever. They're actually getting pretty good in the 90s.
Better.
So you're not going to get, you know, 7 miles to the gallon like you did before this era. We also have air conditioning. So I'm going to turn on because it's warm today. Help keep the camera equipment cool. Very nice. We'll get that going.
There you go. Oh, it's nice. Drives real nice and straight and true.
Yeah, we do have 4-wheel power disc brakes as well, which is always fantastic. We can turn the radio on real quick. Sounds fantastic. We got the fader down here. We got volume and everything. And then we have one cup holder. Just a single cup holder. It's not a big one either. It's meant for 90s cups. So big gulps might not fit very well in there, but you don't want to be drinking fluids in this interior anyway.
We weren't obsessed with drinks.
Yeah. It's too nice. I wouldn't want to risk a spill. The dashboard, which notoriously cracks on these Camaros, is in perfect condition.
Because there's a lot of real estate out there.
There's a lot of real estate and it's a lot of plastic. And when they sit in the sun, you know, they get a little brittle. This one obviously hadn't been sitting in the sun its whole life.
No.
It looks fantastic. All the buttons look fantastic. Even all the white paint on all the buttons, not even fading anywhere.
Yeah, this had to have been garage the whole time. It's so nice.
It looks great. Let me roll this down.
Oh wow, the AC is really working.
The AC is working. Nothing better than air conditioning and the top down.
Why not? I've had the top down and had the heater on. That's for sure.
All right, we'll get past the bump, and we'll see about some beans.
Oh, it's gonna have some beans.
Oh goodness.
Oh, very nice.
Hot shifting action. Woo! That was only 35 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's all.
Not 80.
No. Heavens to Murgatroyd, no.
And we do have back seats for people with small legs.
Yeah, short people.
Or groceries.
There you go.
Whatever you want to do.
Vertically challenged. You know, if you're a grandparent, you got small grandchildren, boom. 6, 7 years old, they easily fit back
without
there.
the T-tops, you don't have to worry about something taking up your entire trunk.
True.
So you have a decent amount of space back there in the trunk as well. The non-convertible Camaros, I believe, were more of a hatch.
Yes.
So you had a little bit more space. But you still got plenty in this car. I mean, you're not going to be, you're not going to be moving in your Camaro anyway, so who really cares?
Exactly.
But yeah, this thing's fantastic. I love it.
Wait, it's like new. Really, isn't it?
I know. It's fantastic. You ready to do some flybys?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Good luck. We're all counting on you. We're counting on him. He knows it. It is rowdy. Sounds rowdy, but it's pretty refined. That's a car that just has not been abused. It's just been taken care of. No miles on the thing. I can't get over that. I bet more than one Nirvana song has been played in that car. Ooh, sharp. Shoppity, shop, shop, shop.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi, Jake. How was that?
I think this car has the best exhaust system on it.
Sounds great.
It's not droney. It's not too loud, but when you pin it, it sounds amazing.
We're talking right here.
Exactly.
No problem.
Not too bad, but then it's got a nice grumble to it. You gotta love it. And if you're into green like me,
oh yeah,
this is it. This is the spec.
I love. Look, speaking of specs, look at those beautiful metallic specs in that sun. No, it's a glorious car that really cleans up great.
Yeah, it's nice. You ready to take it back?
Let's go. Man, those wheels are perfect too.